Hi, Jim Pink of MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We have a 2021 19 SPX by Sea Ray to take a look at today. It's a 19 SPX in the quantum blue. Large sun pad on the rear. Non-skid decking on the swim step. Boarding ladder, storage locker. Step down seat. Flip up bolsters on both the passenger and captain chair. This has got the Go 5 Simrad. Fusion Bluetooth stereo system. Gauges. Lockable glove box. Storage. Stainless steel cup holders. There's a built-in cooler underneath this seat. Grab handle. Has the bimini top. Moving up to the bow. Seating on port and starboard side. More grab handles. Fusion stereo speakers. Cup holders down near the floor, out of the way. And this is the 2021 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman and see me. Again, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.